Hello everyone, I am Rana. Today we are diving into a interesting forensic challenge called Footprint. In this challenge, we are given a zip file name file.zip. When we extract it, we find one hidden file ds.store. If you have used macOS, you have seen ds.store. It's a hidden file that store folder information. Even if files are deleted, their names might still be inside it. Now we need to parse the ds.store file. I am using this GitHub project to parse this ds.store file. Run this following command and we get bunch of base 64 code. Let's copy and paste to the base decode. Let's find our flag TJCTF. We found a part of a flag. Now let's find other part of the flag. That's our flag. Thanks for watching.